Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gen 3 versus the Gen 4. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes guys, we're going to be running the Gen 3 versus the Gen 4. This is the 2804-20. This is a new 2904-20. We got fuel brushless on both of these. The only difference is in the vents. There's a lot more air movement on this one and this one. This one does not have the vents here. It does have some nice vents there on the side. So it does throw a lot of air through the top here, like that. This one throws a lot, huge amounts of air through these vents. Both of them do have a drilling mode, hammer mode, 16 mode on this one. Like I said, both of these have hammer mode, drilling mode, and then this one does have 14 mode. I'm gonna be testing both with the 6 amp hour battery. This is just to stand it up basically. Really like the trigger on this one. This one's very smooth on the new one. Like this one, but yeah, this is really nice. Something that they fixed. I know these had some problems with this one. I haven't had any problems with this one with the trigger, but yeah, they did upgrade the trigger. Other than that, pretty similar. As you guys do see, we got maybe different design on this. This is actually smaller. This is a little bigger here on the rubber stops. On the top, they are the same. They do measure just about the same. Holes, everything. This one does. They did come with the accessory, the bit accessory. They do come with the same handle, so they did not change the handle. The back part is the same. On this side, little difference here on this. 3 pounds, 2.7 ounces. All right, we got the new one. This is the 2904. We got 3 pounds, 4.7 ounces. So a little bit more. So a few more ounces on this one because of probably the sensors. Drill mode speed 2. And we're gonna go ahead and start with the older and then we're gonna go ahead and move on with the newer. You guys can tell from the vents here on the sides and this. So this one does not have any vents, as you see here. So that's how you can tell the difference. All right, let's get started with some simple drilling. This is a 1/2 inch auger bit. One, two, three, go. Next test, this is the older Gen 3. We're gonna be making 1 inch spade bit. One, two, three, go. All right, we got a 1 inch auger bit. One, two, three, go. Putting in this 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. This is a really big task for this drill. I do not recommend this. However, this should be able to handle it. We're going to be using a 3/4 inch adapter with the 3/4 inch socket, impact socket with an adapter. One, two, three, go. All right, let's redo the test. One, two, three, go. All right, let's take this off. 1, 2, 3, go. Obviously, as I said in the first video, if you have the Gen 3, the older, the one to the right, if you have the Gen 3 and it's working fine, you shouldn't, I wouldn't, upgrade if you really need it, or if you really want it. You could upgrade, because this, you do get that feature. You get that feature, the auto stop. Unless you really want that, the safety feature, if you're using this drill to do bigger tasks, this will be, you're already in this platform, that would definitely be a great option for you. If not, you always have that handle that can back you up with your other hand, should be fine. It does have a lot more air movement through the new vents that it has. I really like the trigger, the new trigger. It's a little bit smoother than the older one. I could say is, or you guys are going to see the results of this video. I haven't seen the results. I felt just about the same. I don't feel any power difference. Guys, let me know down in the comment section which other tool would you want to see this against. I know I already made a post, but I would like to get some more opinions about you guys and these drills, this new Gen 4. Let me know down in the comment section any questions you guys have. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make for review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.